A Denver grand jury has indicted a senior investigator from the Pueblo District Attorney's Office.
69-year-old Charles Widup faces 21 charges, including racketeering, gambling, bribery, and unauthorized use of computers. News 5's Andy Cohen digging deeper tonight and found that Widup fired by the DA's office earlier this month.
And Andy, you found some red flags about the investigator's history, too.
Yeah, well, Charles Widup was convicted of driving while ability impaired. That's a lesser drunk driving conviction. That happened just about 1.5 to 2 years before he was hired to work at the district attorney's office. And we also found that his son was charged with a felony 2 summers ago for posing as a firefighter filling the boot. Those charges were dismissed.
Charles Widup was awarded Investigator of the Year by the Colorado District Attorney's Council in 2016 for his 35-year career in law enforcement. Earlier in life, he was police chief in La Junta. He was arrested on January 29th following a grand jury indictment. That indictment is sealed, but News 5 has learned that he was fired 3 days later. The DA sent an email to coworkers notifying them of Widup's termination on February 1st. Widup went before a judge for advisement on February 5th, and from the looks of things, he was part of a gambling and racketeering ring in the Denver area. In addition to felony organized crime charges, he's also accused of computer crimes and misusing official information, as well as 4 counts of attempting to influence a public servant. This case is being investigated by the FBI, and a special prosecutor from the Colorado Attorney General's office has been assigned. Neither agency would provide a comment.
And District Attorney Jeff Chostner also declined to comment, stating that it's both a personnel issue and an ongoing criminal investigation. But he added, "Suffice it to say that once I became aware of the allegations against Mr. Widup, I took swift and strong personnel action. With regard to ongoing cases, Mr. Widup's departure from the office has not interfered with the prosecution of the cases which he was involved, as there is other legally sufficient evidence that may be used to sustain those prosecutions." Now, we followed up with Mr. Chostner this afternoon after uncovering the drunk driving conviction and the dismissing of charges against Mr. Widup's son, but we haven't heard back yet. Widup is scheduled to appear in court next for arraignment in early April. Watching out for you, Pueblo. Andy Cohen, News 5.
Andy.